welcome back to another KittyMomDiaries vlog. Today we have the story of Pumpkin and the birds.
You know how cats love to be in high places? Well, this morning I found out that my cat, Pumpkin, has found yet another place that he likes to hang out. Check this out. So up here is Mr. Pumpkin. Look what he's slipping on. The bird cage. There's Pumpkin, there's the birds. But what's funny is how high up he is. The floor, all the way up here. Don't ask me how he did it. This morning I just found him up there. And now he's just going up there all the time. And what I find funny is how the birds aren't freaking out about a cat being on top of their cage. It's just funny as all heck. So that is another example of how Miss Nikki is giving Pumpkin some bad manners. So we have naughty cat number 2, Mr. Pumpkin.